Hi everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I've recorded a video for you guys, but I wanted to basically come on and explain my new feature that's coming to my YouTube channel. So it's a new series in which I talk all things Disney, especially Disneyland Paris. Basically this stemmed from just being obsessed with the want to go to Disneyland Paris. I've never been, and it's a dream of mine and I really hope to go in November. But I wanted to come on and basically say all the things that I wanted to say to everyone, but they're all probably sick of hearing me at this stage. It's also really weird to be doing like a recorded video. I'm so used to doing like live streams, so I'm not like in the moment. I've recorded this previously, which is very strange for me. But yeah, I wanted it to basically be just me explaining the tips and tricks that I've learned over the last few years of basically planning a Disneyland Paris trip. I've been planning this now for, wow, a long time. I think probably the last 4 or 5 years, I want to say, but I've never gotten around to properly planning or even having a dead set date on when I'm going to go to Disneyland Paris. So right now I do, and things are working out, so it's looking like November, early November I'm going to go. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and share my tips and tricks. This is my introduction video, by the way. I'm going to have a series, as I said. It's going to be a playlist, and all the videos will be stored there as well for you guys and your convenience. Today I pretty much just want to introduce myself and say, you know, why I'm doing this video, what kind of things I'll be covering in the next few videos. I actually didn't even plan this video. I kind of just started talking to you guys. I just put on the camera and decided to do it today. I had a plan for a couple of more days ahead before I have my trip. I'm going to the Netherlands on Saturday and I'm so excited. But yeah, so right now I'll go ahead and we'll start and I'll explain what to expect in the next few coming videos. So the first thing really is why I chose to do this video about Disneyland Paris, and this series is basically, again, it's a dream of mine. I've been wanting to go to Disneyland Paris for many years, and I have been doing a lot of research, basically a lot of research into the parks. I made up my mind I wanted to go to the Paris park again for convenience. You know, it's the closest park to where I live. I'm from Ireland, by the way, if you didn't know. And you know, it's financially viable for me too. Orlando wouldn't be very viable. California wouldn't either. And nothing in Asia would be viable either, just from a financial point of view. So I suppose another thing really is, you know, I've been watching a lot of vloggers on YouTube and a lot of people, and they've really helped me. They've really helped me in terms of deciding what I want to do when I get there, what hotel I want to stay at, even down to how to really kind of budget for Disneyland Paris. So I want to cover this myself because I want to kind of give my perspective about it, and I want to, you know, show everything I've learned over the past few years of planning. And also I just want to help anybody that might be from Ireland, because a certain amount of things I'll be talking about are from kind of like an Irish perspective, and they're about, you know, the travel agents I went with and the financial aspect for me and what it's all going to come to. I'm going to be very transparent about how much it's going to cost me as well. I'm not going to sugarcoat it, I'm not going to lie, I'm not going to give you a roundabout estimate. I'm going to give you a perfect number that it's costing me to go, just so you guys have an idea, especially if you're in Ireland. But as I said, just a little tip, it's not going to be the same price for you guys if you're in a different country, remember that. Also, I went with a certain travel agent just because they are the official Disneyland Paris travel agent in Ireland, so I really trust them. They've been literally linked with Disneyland Paris, affiliated with them ever since they started at the park, and they opened the park back in 1992. And I want to just basically, yeah, explain my situation and explain, yeah, all the stuff I've learned. So the first video, after this introduction video, will be on basically the start of the planning, how the first process goes, essentially, or how I started my process. A lot of people do their planning, you know, very differently. They might start with, you know, budgeting, or they might start immediately by looking at the park and, you know, where they're going to stay. Are they going to stay in a Disneyland Paris hotel, or are they going to stay in a, you know, affiliated hotel, you know, nearby, or an Airbnb, or you know, something near the grounds of the park? But I'm going to cover that all in my next video, and then we'll do it by topic by topic. We're not going to rush into anything, we're just going to take our time with it. We're not going to make super long videos unless I have so much to get through, and I'll mention that at the start of each video. And today this one isn't going to be very long, it's 6 or 7 minutes probably. But yeah, so I just want to say thank you guys for supporting my YouTube. I'm hoping to kind of do a bit more on YouTube. I had more planned a bit while ago, but it kind of fell by the wayside because other things are happening. But I hope to get back into YouTube more so. I've been streaming on Twitch quite a lot, as you guys know, and the discoverability isn't great on there, I'm not gonna lie. So I want to come on YouTube and just see if, you know, you guys want to watch videos about Disneyland Paris. Yeah, so it should be fun. I hope you guys come on this journey with me while I discuss everything I know and everything I've learned. It will be my first time ever going to Disneyland Paris, by the way, so I won't be giving any kind of like things about being in the park. I'll just be mentioning things about planning, prep, and also tips and tricks before you get there, because I've already noticed a lot of things myself, actually stuff I haven't learned off anybody else, so don't worry, I'm not stealing people's videos or video ideas. So yeah, I'll just be basically just trying to get my info out there, get my knowledge out there, and help other people, because it can be very stressful, but it doesn't have to be stressful. It should be fun. Disneyland Paris planning should be fun. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me today. If you want to check out more of my videos, you can subscribe here. Or you can like this video, that would be amazing, give it a thumbs up. And you can also click the bell icon to be notified of when I go and upload another video of this type. So there is a few previous videos, they're not really anything to do with Disney, but you can check them out if you want to, it would be greatly appreciated. But yeah, that's it for me today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!